Who knew rocket launches might require so much water? As part of the preparations for its new Space Launch System, NASA tested the water deluge system, which includes shooting 450,000 gallons of water onto the launch pad at Kennedy Space Center. According to NASA, the water deluge system is used to reduce extreme heat and energy generated after a rocket launch. The Space Launch System is basically a giant rocket NASA will use in a series of missions traveling to the Moon and Mars. The system is designed to carry larger payloads and generate more energy, which could open the door to deep space missions including robotic scientific missions to places like Mars, Saturn, and Jupiter. As NASA notes in the video's description, the test was performed at Launch Pad 39B at Kennedy Space Center. The water was pushed around 100 feet in the air before spilling back into a large trench where it travels back to holding ponds. In this case, the water spewed upward because the rest of the hardware isn't fully connected yet. When the launcher is in place, the water will actually flow through a network of pipes and nozzles rather than spewing out like a geyser. Along with helping to dissipate the heat generated during the rocket firing, the water also helps absorb some of the intense noise that the rocket will generate. NASA says that this latest test is yet another big step towards the eventual launch of the Space Launch System on its first major test, Exploration Mission 1, which is expected to take place sometime around mid-2020. That's still a long way off, but getting into space takes time, especially when a new launch vehicle is part of the deal.